On top of that volcanic crater now. There's the, let's see where it bubbling up and collapsed. Bubbling. For some scale, the background, some scale, you can see my wife walking all the way on the other side of the rim. So this is the Volcanic National Wonderland Monument. We're camped here, and for what it's worth, you can drive here. This is about 40 miles south of Burns, Oregon. It's just off a paved road, and instead of waiting in lines in places like Yellowstone, Yosemite, and all the national parks that everybody goes to, you can be all alone and go to places like this. I think I see the bird. It's hard using the zoom. Definitely see that nest because of all the straw. You can hear all the birds that live like in the crevices of this volcano crater. I think they're mad, they're getting disturbed. And this is just adjacent to the Malheur National Wildlife Refuge, where they had the Oregon standoff. But this is actually on BLM land, which in this case stands for the United States Bureau of Land Management.